Welcome students. In this video, we are going to talk about an important aspect of programming, that is comment. Comments are a way to make your code more readable and maintainable. Comments are lines in your code that are ignored by the compiler. They are used to explain what your code does, making it easier for others or even for yourself to understand the logic of your program later. C provides two types of comments: single line comments and multi-line comments. Let's start with the single line comments. Single line comments start with the two forward slashes. Anything written after these two forward slashes on the same line is treated as a comment. You can see this line is treated as comment and it is a comment. If I remove these two forward slashes, then this is not a commit. So single line commits is start with two forward slashes. See this with example. We write the comment for this statement. Above this statement, declared a variable to store marks. Now this line of comment is explaining the working of or meaning of this line of code. You can write the comments above or in front of that line of code, like I copy this and paste this here. So both these ways are correct if you type the comments above or in front of the line of code. So first line is explained. Now explain the second line. Store the marks in the marks variable. In this statement, I stored the marks 80 to in the marks variable, and this line of comment is explaining this. And it last, print your marks. Last line is printing your marks. So write comment print your marks. Now if someone else see my code, he will understand the working of this code very easily. In this code, all the text after two forward slashes is a comment. It is ignored by the compiler. Now let's see multi-line comments. Multi-line comments start with forward slash star and end with star forward slash. Everything between these symbols is treated as a comment. This is used for large explanation. For example, if we want to explain the purpose of this program, write a multi-line comments. Let's write. So multi-line comments start with the forward slash and then star and end with star and forward slash. Anything between these symbols is treated as comment. So write the purpose of this program in this comment. First type this program demonstrate the working of comment. And then also add it declares an integer variable marks and print the value stored in the marks variable. This is an example of multi-line comment. You can see any text enclosed in forward slash star and star forward slash is treated as comment. You can use multi-line comments to explain the purpose of your program. And that's everything you need to know about comments in C programming. Remember, comments are a way of communicating with other developers and yourself in future. So use them wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.